Guys, in this video, I'm taking a look at the Notta. This is the Notta Memo. It's an AI note taker and everyone seems to be talking about it. If you're fed up with taking notes, missing key moments in meetings, or wasting hours transcribing stuff afterwards, this might actually be worth a look. I'll show you what it does well, where it still needs a bit of work, and whether it's actually something you'd want to use day to day. So to see if Notta can really save you time without creating more work and hassle, stick around guys, because I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, what actually is Notta? Well, at its core, it's an AI-powered tool that turns speech into searchable text. This could be a Zoom meeting, an in-person conversation, a podcast, or even a YouTube video. Anything really where you're recording audio. It works in real time, it supports a huge number of languages and integrates with tools like Zoom, Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. You also get automatic summaries, speaker identification and collaborative editing, all inside a clean web-based dashboard. And importantly, it's GDPR compliant. It doesn't use your transcripts to train AI models, which is a big deal if you're dealing with sensitive client or business conversations. Now, Notta did send me this cool device for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have the Notta Memo, and I've got to say the packaging is nice and well thought out. Now I'm just going to flip this flap over, as underneath you have the paperwork and you have a proprietary charging cable. Now I'm not a great lover of proprietary cables, but it seems that a lot of tech, particularly fintech, all seem to share this way of charging nowadays. And the one good thing about the connector is it is magnetic. Also guys, you get this cool little carry case which you can pop the Notta Memo straight into. And what's even cooler, look at that, it's magnetic. So you can stick it to the back of your phone, and let me tell you now, spoiler alert, this also serves another purpose which I will share with you in a bit. Now guys, looking at the actual Notta Memo itself, and yeah, it's nice. Very light, very slim and very premium. On the front guys, you've got a button to switch it on. Next to that, you've got a slider switch which lets you switch between room recording, so that's where the mics are kind of picking everything up in the room, and phone recording. Yeah, this bad boy stuck on the back of your phone, it's going to be able to record your calls. You just flip the switch and the Notta Memo will use vibration technology to record your phone. Not hands-free, but while you're talking on it normally. I mean, that's insane, right? That's such a good reason to keep this magged on to the back of your phone, always ready and way more useful than having like your wallet stuck on there, right? And guys, you also get an LED screen which shows you what you're recording and what mode you're in, and also your battery life and some other useful tasks. So you know what? Pretty darn handy. Now guys, let's start with taking a look at some of the core features of this little device. First up, real-time transcription, because this is where Notta really earns its keep. This isn't just recording audio and dumping text at the end of it. It transcribes your meeting live if you want it to. So if someone throws out an important number, date or decision, it's already captured. No scrambling to write it down, no rewinding of recordings later. If you're on fast-paced calls where stopping to take notes just isn't realistically, then this is genuinely useful. Next up, guys, is multilingual support. And this one's a bit of an underrated feature. Notta can transcribe in 58 languages and translate into 42, and it can even handle bilingual conversations. So if one person's speaking English and the other's speaking Spanish, French or Japanese even, it can capture both accurately. If you work with international clients or remote teams across different countries, this removes a massive communication headache. Then guys, there's speaker identification. Notta automatically labels who's speaking, which makes reviewing meetings later much easier. No more guessing who said what, especially on team calls with multiple voices going on at once. I mean, for interviews, team reviews, or anything remotely formal, this is gold. Once the transcription's done, you're not just left staring at a wall of text either. You can search by keyword, edit sections directly, and generate automatic summaries that pull out the key points, decisions, and next steps. You can also support everything in formats like text, docx, PDF, or SRT if you're creating subtitles. I mean, that's pretty neat, really. I can see a real use for that. And guys, if you're already using tools like Slack, Notion, or Google Calendar, Notta syncs with those as well. So it slots into your existing workflow rather than forcing you to change how you work. And guys, one standout feature that I really like is the mind map view and time-stamped chapters. Instead of scrolling endlessly through text, you get a visual breakdown of the conversation. For long meetings or interviews, this saves a ton of time when you just want to jump to the important bits. So guys, what's it actually like to use day to day? Well, honestly, it's smooth. I've tried a lot of these tools, and to date, Notta is one of the easiest to get up and running with. Once the transcript's in, everything happens inside the app. You can edit text, search for keywords, highlight sections, adjust playback speed, and jump straight into the exact moment something was said. You actually get also an email letting you know that your transcript is ready, and it gives you a secure link to get to the web portal. From there, whether you're using the web app or mobile app, you have the ability to use AI summary, translation, and you can format for next best actions, clean summary, transcripts only to do, etc. Honestly, there is a lot here that is going on to save you a ton of time. And I keep holding this, and it feels great. I like this little textured piece. It's so light. It's almost like credit card light and thin. It's definitely a powerful piece of kit. And guys, if you're more of a visual thinker, let's face it, that mind map is going to give you a big picture overview of the whole conversation, which is genuinely helpful for messy brainstorms. Also, guys, onboarding is straightforward. It only takes a few minutes to feel comfortable with it. And even if you're not particularly tech savvy, this is going to be easy to use. And guys, the companion app is pretty cool as well, with a ton of features, including the ability to update firmware. So guys, there you have it. Notta isn't just keeping up with the competition, and I've got some of that competition in a lot of areas. It's quietly pulling ahead. It's flexible, fast, and surprisingly easy to live with. It's not perfect, but for most people, it will save you hours every single week. And in meetings, you can focus on the meeting, not the note taking. I hate taking notes now. I've got a remarkable tablet, ink notebook jobby. You'll know what I mean if I say remarkable. But I hate it. That was my escape from paper notes, right? To get the remarkable, no more paper. I could never find anything that I'd written down in a standard notebook. The remarkable was brilliant, but this is next level, guys. Next level. So just a quick word on pricing. The free plan gives you 120 minutes per month at the time of this video going live, but sessions, I believe, are capped to around 3 minutes, so it's really just for testing the water. The pro plan is where it really becomes genuinely useful and usable, with around 1,800 minutes per month and longer sessions. And if you're working in a team or an agency, the business plan makes the most sense with unlimited transcription and admin controls. Guys, I'll leave a link to all the current pricing plans in the description below. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Notta for sending me this cool piece of kit to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.